Watch lamps.
Hey y'all, good morning. It is like 11:13, bro. I'm very much pissed because I had a doctor's appointment and I missed it because I thought it was supposed to be for 11:30. So I set my alarm for 10:30 because I don't live that far from my doctor's office. But while I get a reminder from the place that it's actually 11 o'clock, it's not really important, an important doctor's appointment. I just wanted to get my I don't know what that shot is. Y'all know what the shot's like for, like, just in case you step on a rusty nails or whatever. I was supposed to get that shot. But also I wanted my doctor to check on my eyes and really recommend me a dermatologist to go to, because I was supposed to go to a dermatologist actually tomorrow. But I made my appointment and they called me like they don't take my insurance no more, and I've been going there for years, bro. And that pissed me off because I would have to pay like almost $200-300 out of pocket, and I'm not doing that. Like, hell no. That's why I got insurance for me to not pay out of pocket. I'm low-key want to change my insurance because it seems like everybody doesn't take my insurance, and that right there is making me mad. I have eczema, so I don't know if it's the eczema around my eyes. Eczema never went to my face. Maybe like my stomach. I used to have eczema like right here. Like, you know how when a doctor give you a shot? That's what I used to have eczema at. But yeah, on my face, bro. Oh no, this gotta go. And I already have bags under my eyes, so it just makes my eyes look 10 times worse. I have a pimple on my face, bro. My lips is ashy right now. Like, I'm going through it, bro. I'm going through it. Do you have 12? Okay. Okay, thank you. Bye. Okay. Okay, y'all, so right now I'm about to go to McDonald's because I'm hungry. I'm taking an Uber because I don't like taking a bus or nothing, and my uncle's asleep because I would have took his car or have him drove me, but he asleep, so I'm gonna just let him sleep.
For this, you come back. I have one like this over there.
So why is my Uber driver getting McDonald's? He taking forever.
Reported ahead.
So I'm back home. I got me a frappe, 2 McChickens, and a fries.
Welcome back, or welcome to my channel. It's Maya back again with another Format YouTube video. People on TikTok use it for like their armpits, their knees, their elbows, like what?
Okay, so I finished eating. I'm still sipping on my frappe. I'll be taking forever to drink a frappe, bro. Like, it take me like an hour to finish a frappe. I'm watching Keeping Up with Maya right now because I ain't gonna lie, I have been slacking on my YouTubers. I haven't been watching them consistently because I'm going back to the gym. If you guys, I don't know if I told y'all, but I was having problems with my legs for a few months, so I should have took y'all to every doctor's appointment. Thank God that everything is fine. Everything is, you know what I'm saying, good. My legs is fine. Everything. I literally had to do everything. I had to do an ultrasound. I had to, like, what's it called, the vascular doctor. I had to see them like freaking 4 times. I had to do a CAT scan on my brain because like my legs was feeling numb, so I had to do that. Everything was fine. Did the blood work was fine. I'm anemic, so you know what I'm saying, it's a little, but it's like fine. I just gotta take my my iron. I really don't take my iron like that. I don't know why I need to. But after this, I'm gonna do my hair and make some TikTok videos, and then after I make some TikTok videos, I'm gonna make some YouTube videos. I'm gonna show y'all, like, you know what I'm saying, me making TikTok videos and YouTube videos.
Yo, he's wild.
He swore on God he was getting money going straight to hell.
It's nothing, it's not even discrimination, it's preference. I preferably don't want to talk to you niggas.
Oh my god, damn. He sucks.
I'm under my net because there's a mosquito in here and I'm not trying to get bit. I was making TikTok videos and the mosquito bit my foot and I said no. But I'm gonna get to editing and I'll probably pick up the camera when I finish editing. Hey y'all, good morning. Let me see. Well, actually good afternoon because it is 12:18. I got up, like, to be honest, an hour or two ago. I already ate and yeah, I'm about to go to the nail salon. I'm gonna get ready, get dressed. I need face soap. Face soap I use, these motherfuckers don't sell it no more. I don't like their new ingredients because last time I had their new ingredients for their lotion, my legs was burning and I just didn't like it. I read it and it was like it's not the original formula that they always use. This is what I use for my face and it works perfect. I've been using it for years. Before I was using this, I was using day and night, but I stopped using day and night because I had left it when I was living in Georgia and I don't know, I just stopped using it and I went to this one. But their formula changed, so now I gotta find the original formula. Yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all what I use for my eczema. I don't use too much. I use this every single day. The dermatologist, she usually prescribed me with this, but I don't use this no more because she told me not to use it. This helps. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, you could buy this at the store. I used this before when I had allergic reaction, when I had hives all over my body. This is what I use. So make sure if you have eczema or whatever, this gonna help. I'm scared to use this around my eyes. That's why, like, I just don't want to put nothing on my eye until, like, I go to the dermatologist again and they, you know what I'm saying, give me something for my eyes. Like I said, my eczema is not that bad. I can't stop in it, but my eczema is not that bad. But of course, now my eyes is like, it's irritating as hell. I just put some coconut oil on my body. I'm about to put it on my face, but I'm gonna let my face dry because my face is still wet. My face should be dry.
It was at this moment that she knew she fucked up.
Oh crap. Oh crap. I forgot I put peppermint in this. I put peppermint, lavender, and yeah, coconut oil. I need to hurry up, it's 1 o'clock. Y'all, I think I said this like 3 times in a vlog. I'm gonna put the link down below, or nah, I'm gonna put the name. This is the best toothbrush, electric toothbrush ever. I really don't know why I'm dressing up to go to. I literally just realized I'm trying to look cute to go to their nail salon. Maybe I should just do it because I be looking crazy. I'm about to get going right now. I'm about to leave my AC on because it be hot when I be. Don't mind my wall. If you saw my last wall, you already know I messed up my whole wall trying to paint the damn ceiling, and it didn't go as I wanted to. So now I'm about to leave my glasses, but yeah, we about to get going. I was so pale, but we about to get going to the nail salon. When I tell y'all, it is motherfucking hot out here. I have to put on my freaking elastic band because I do not need my wig coming off. Like, it's freaking hot. Like, it's motherfucking hot. But over here is cool because I'm in the shade. So I've been at the nail salon at 10. You know what I'm saying? So I can get everything out the way. Oh my god, my camera keep going back. But I'm supposed to get everything out the way. Now look at me. Freaking 2 o'clock going to the fucking nail salon. And I swear, I hope it's not packed though. Because if it's packed, I'm gonna cry. I don't know what to say. I'm gonna pick back my camera up when I reach there because I'm fucking tired.
Episodes of Only Murders in the Building. Seasons 1 and 2 now on Google. Get ready to win your way into our 2022 iHeartRadio Music Festival.
Hey y'all, I'm back from the nail salon and these are my nails. I got them white because I asked my Instagram what color should I get, and a few people said white. I love my short nails on my black. I love long nails, but it's like lately I just want some short nails. Like last time I had long nails and I was just like, I'm not feeling it, to the point where I had to go back and let them cut it because it was just, I don't know, I was just over the long nails, you know what I'm saying? I might get my long nails back, but for right now I just want to do short. I don't really get designs. Like, I'm a simple person when it comes to my nails. I feel like I should do design. Nail salon, they be getting out of hand with their prices. My nails and my toes done. I'm gonna show you my toes. These are my nails and my toes because I'm going to the gym tomorrow. I'm also gonna do laundry, so yeah, I'm gonna do it. It's a lot of great things to do, but I'm about to eat my sandwich. I got me a chicken sandwich from the store, and I'm about to eat that, watch some YouTube. All right, y'all, so I'm getting ready to go to the gym, and I ain't got no socks. I gotta wear match socks because I don't know what I be doing with my socks. I know some socks are in the hamper. I'm about to go to the laundromat too and drop them clothes off. But I gotta buy socks because I don't never have socks. But I got my little bag. I should have worn a bigger bag, but not to the gym. To be honest, I don't think I'm gonna carry my camera to the gym. I think I'm gonna just use my phone. I got enough like storage on my phone to record, so I think I'm gonna just do that. But I'm about to go drop these clothes at the laundromat and we're gonna head to the gym. Hey y'all, so they play music, but I'm in the gym right now. Finished for the day. I did 15 minutes on the treadmill and 15 minutes on the bike. We're done for the day. I look crazy, but I'm back home from the gym and the laundromat. Shout out to the work in the laundromat though, because I had dropped my clothes off to wash. And I was gonna, like, when I finished with the gym, I was gonna come back to dry it, but they put my clothes in the dryer for free. Like, that's love, bro. That's real love. I'm still gonna do some workouts. I'm gonna go on YouTube to look at some workout routines. I'll probably show y'all that. And I'm about to put my clothes away, to be honest, and relax. Y'all, look at all these clothes, all these goddamn clothes, and I don't even go nowhere. Like, make sense. But I'm about to play some music and put my clothes away. That's so crazy how he dried my stuff, but when I be drying it, it be still wet. Now I see why some people, they stay at the laundromat and actually fold, but see, I'm not doing that. I'd rather fold in the comfort of my own. Work, to me, I can work. See me do me dirt. So me by that work. When you walk a line, in the cafe, drive me a dessert. Nothing to be lurking. Yeah. You make a like, now you don't like it. Because I was on that treadmill and that bike, my legs is in pain. This is sad. I'm too young to be this out of shape and this tired. Here she go with the squats again. But let me put my music on. Let's see if I get these squats in. That workout had me like, I'm a little bit tired. I'm watching YouTube right now. I'm about to go maybe something to eat, do my hair, because my wig is, as you can tell, it's not on because the day that I went to go get my nails done, it was hot as hell outside and it sweated out. Yeah, I'm gonna eat, take me an hour nap, do my hair so I can record. So yeah.
I got one. Do I have one? No. Buy my ass. Alright, love you.
Okay. Hey y'all, it is a couple of days later. My bad, I'm mad close to my face, but it's a couple of days later. Look what I got in the mail. My uncle ordered it for me, so thank you. Needed this for my face. I haven't washed my face with like actual soap in about a week. I've been using water. That's how bad I needed this. It was not about to get no other new formula because I don't play like that. See, the original formula. Yeah, I got me a sandwich. About to tear this up with some ginger ale. Today is actually Monday the 29th, and I'm about to end this vlog because let me see if I can show y'all. Right now I am editing this vlog right now, so this is the outro. So thank you guys for watching this vlog. Many more vlogs to come, bro. I'm gonna be consistent on this channel. This videos that need to be that's gonna get done, not need to be, it's going to get done on this channel. All this is for this channel and TikTok. Reaction channel, my reaction channel is easy, you know what I'm saying, because I just react. But this channel right here, I got everything jotted down. Like, I'm working on this shit. I'm not gonna lie. Thank you guys for watching this vlog. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. When you subscribe, turn that post notification bell on so you're not bringing a new video. And I'll see you all in my next video.